in Makawao, which is this like cute little town up on a mountain in Maui, and I finally got my camera to start recording videos so I can give you high quality content, which you all deserve and we all love. My mom is picking out some jewelry for her like friend right now, so I'm gonna go show you my favorite jewelry shop where I get all my jewelry. I got this there and my other rings that I like always wear. You can put up pics of those rings, editor please. But yeah, I'm here with my mom. She's visiting me on vacation, so I'm gonna go show you what the shop looks like and just like a little bit about this town. It's so cute. I'm in Maui, Hawaii right now. Period, let's go. My mom is visiting right now. And we are getting some Thai food. We're getting a green curry and a hot dog.
Vegan hot dog.
That's right. We're gonna go into our favorite jewelry store after this, and you'll get to see Little Tibet, where I get all of my stuff that I'm not wearing right now. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Happening to Target.
I wish I filmed you taking that shot.
I'm gonna put my glasses on.
She was just like freaked out from the shot. It's so bad. I'm gonna take a big one.
Okay.
Shout out Choice Health Bar, please sponsor me.
Yucky.
Oh!
That takes guts.
I feel like it's almost better when we just do it all.
I feel like it had a yellow mustache.
I feel the burn like rising from my. There's like cute little like general stores, and like we just had Thai food. Fucking cute. Okay, this is my favorite jewelry store. Can't wait to show you inside. It's called Little Tibet. This is where I get all my amber from. This amber ring that I'm not wearing right now. But yeah, they literally have the prettiest amber here.
So that's just shattered.
Amazing. So right now my mom is inside of this jewelry store picking out some jewelry for her friend, and then we're gonna go shoot this sweatsuit that I got from this company called Mood Ring, and I'm really excited about it, so come along for the journey. Yeah, but this town has been super like formative, I guess you could say, in like who I am or whatever. It's always been my favorite town. I don't really know why, but it's fucking dope. It's called Makawao. I got my first tarot deck across the street. Vibes are always right here. I'm just excited that I have a camera that takes quality fucking content, because now I have an excuse to shoot and bring my shit everywhere. Gorgeous.
So what do you think?
Can't see. Just gotta go up.
Yep. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Sunny. These are like cocktails in a jar. You pour alcohol into it. Love it.
Love it?
I love it. You're such a good actress, Mom. Yeah. This might be the road, I think, actually. This is the road.
This is the road.
I think so. Because the gas station's up there. I think we just found the road that we were looking for. I was gonna come up and say, we're lost. I'm vlogging because we're lost. But I really think that we just found it.
Oh, the camera is so close to my face. That's what I just did. Bye.
Hey, I'll do it on my iPhone. I'm just vlogging right now. Right, we're gonna go shoot an unboxing. We are going to go stop at a swap meet really fast and see some Hawaii swap meet items, and then I am gonna go make some jewelry. Yeah. Are you ready? Ready! Let's go. All this Hawaii tourism content is immaculate. She's literally obsessed with pearls.
They're very nice.
Yeah, you can use that stuff just
Bargained it down. I hope you're having an amazing day. My mom and I are just gonna go make some jewelry, I think, at this store. I'm in the car having some celery juice, and Kimmy's in the car having 2 pieces of ribs and a chicken. Order of a real chicken. And I'm doing this for my face. I literally can't even, I feel like the energy of the chicken's gonna get in my face. This is my second celery juice of the day, and I had this turmeric shot that absolutely murdered my intestines. Just kidding, it's okay. It was just very spicy. Juicing. Celery juicing. I hope it works. Full savage, bro.
No. Why are you so close up?
We're gonna pick out some shells to make our jewelry. We're gonna get the wire and everything we need, and then we're gonna go over to the studio, and I'm just gonna put it together and just the whole process. So this piece of wire that is super flimsy, it's like literally like a paper clip. So we're turning that into a nice bracelet that has a retail value of like upwards of $100 or whatever. Drilling a hole in that pearl, and then this is what I'm gonna use to solder it. Cool. So there's nobody in here, so I'm just gonna take my mask off for a sec. I have my edges perfectly straight together, and I'm going to put the solder on the thing now, this wire, and then we're gonna solder it. But first I have to spray it with this stuff. And I think it's just like an adhesive kind of, because it gets kind of hard for them to stick otherwise. And then you just put these little like silver bead things on the top. And I'm gonna like melt them into the wire and like mend it into a perfect circle. I'm gonna go brush it off and make it shiny, or do I pound it first? This is a solvent that fucks it all up in the best way.
Then you take it out with tweezers. Okay.
I wash it off.
With the steel wool and soap. The steel wool and soap.
Living my best life. So, I'm just polishing this little beauty. Are you okay?
That's good.
Literally, like, you can just start it whenever and I'll just cut the clips out.
It's going.
I know, I'm just telling you for future reference. This is my mallet. I'm going to be snatching it with a mallet. I put that box in a box. Put that box in a box. I mail it to myself. I'm gonna rise up my door. I'll smash it with a hammer. Do you know that reference?
No.
It's every single group. When I was with, when I took
Carrie's coming back.
what I was saying, we're not supposed to be filming here right now. But, oh yeah, so you just make it round with this horn thing, and then you make a flat over here, like this. And when you pound it, it makes the metal harder, so it actually turns it into a bracelet. This gives it like texture and personality. Great stress reliever. I'm gonna put a little bit more texture in it because I want to like that. This is my bracelet, beautiful and complete.
Just needs to be polished.
Oh yeah, it just needs to be polished. Okay. It's like a step-by-step tutorial. Okay. This is like polisher that will polish the jewelry. I'm like envisioning a foot pedal, but that's not.
Faster, faster.
A little bit faster. We're gonna get it going.
Okay, right about
Always
there.
wear eye protection. Do I have eye protection? Okay. Anyways, my hair is gonna get nowhere near this thing.
Put the polish there, just a little. Okay, it's good on the inside. Okay, and hold it tight. Hold it tight.
Gotta hold it tight.
And just take it around.
And then you just take it around town.
How's it looking?
It's looking so sparkly.
Do I see your pretty face with your little tag hanging out?
That's good. I'm about to turn you into the best videographer of 2021. Okay, yeah, honestly, so sick. You like can't even see where I put it together, and it looks so beautiful. It's how they would all blend together. Fashion. I do this unboxing really fast and hope that it doesn't close. I just got this package from Black Bow Swim. Thank you so much, Black Bow. Open it right now. My mom is in the car with me. Hey. Cool. It has two things. This box says, "Hey beach bum, here's some sunshine for you." For my beach bum. And this is a cute little pink package. Ooh. Oh. We have some like bikini cover-ups. Really cute. I cannot wait to wear this. I love all the colors. This one is very like Hawaii print theme. Ooh, this is like a cool top that I can style with the bikini. I think it comes with matching stuff. These are the accessories. Cute bucket hat. I'm gonna put this on right now. I think it probably goes in the back or maybe the front. And then in this box, whoa! Designed for the tropical soul. That's me. Lots of stickers. We love free party favors. And this is a bikini that matches this hat. So cute. And a bikini that matches the top. And this is just a cool brown bikini that I'll probably wear with the skirt. Thank you so much, Black Bro. I'm gonna go shoot in it today. Bye. I said, I'm really just realizing how much our bodies are ecosystems. They're really never simply sick or healthy. There's always a process of intaking toxin-removing vitamins and minerals. With so much synthetic food being produced, we need to make sure we are filling ourselves with food that cleanses. Our bodies will naturally pull out all the chemicals that find their way into our bodies if we give ourselves whole, healing foods. We are balancing a whole ecosystem in our gut and on our skin, from without to within. Everything affects everything else, and it really starts with what we put into our ecosystem. It is a constant balance. And then I wrote this long poem yesterday.